The DAAD scholarship is currently open for applications. So we are going to look at the application requirements and also the application process. So this is the objective of the scholarship. I'll just skip right to the bottom. This is for master's degree or doctoral degree. So PhD or master's at a German university. So that means you're going to study in Germany. You must have at least 2 years professional experience for you to qualify for this scholarship. So let's see who can apply. While we are here, please remember to join my Patreon through the link in the video description. This is where I post regular scholarship updates. So if you don't want to miss, you can join and also download the app so that you can get notified when I post. And then secondly, if you need assistance with your scholarship applications, I do offer a one-on-one scholarship mentorship. You can also sign up through the link in the video description and we can go through the application process together. Who can apply for this scholarship? Let's go back to the scholarship. As I already mentioned, graduates with at least 2 years professional experience. There is a list of eligible countries. Sorry. So first of all, before you start your application or before you waste your time on this application, you need to check if at all your application is eligible. You can do that by clicking on here where it says list of eligible countries. I've put the link to the official scholarship website in the video description too. You can go there. It will take you to this page that I'm currently explaining to you, and you should be able to click all the clickable links. So they also have like a list of postgraduate courses that are covered for the scholarship for 2025-2026. You need to also click here and go check if the course that you are interested in is there, or maybe a similar course or a course that is close to what you are interested in. So it's very important. First, check your country. Secondly, check your course. So the duration of the funding or the duration of the scholarship will depend on your program from 12 to 42 months. So it will depend on how long the program that you have applied for is. So you get monthly stipend. It will depend whether you are doing masters or PhD. Those are the figures. You also get payments towards your health, accident, and personal liability insurance, travel allowance. In special circumstances, you may get your rent subsidized or allowance for accompanying members of the family. That sounds nice for those who have families. The selection process is that you need to fulfill the necessary academic requirements, meaning you should meet the requirements of the program that you are applying for. You should check if you meet the requirements, and you should have a bachelor's degree, usually a 4-year course. So you should have like an undergraduate degree. Have 2 years professional experience. You can see that this one keeps popping up. This is the third time they've mentioned this, which probably means that it's very important. So you have to have 2 years at least. If at least means 2 years and above of professional work experience. And you should also prove that your motivation to the development related, how you're going to make an impact, social responsibility, development impact, and how you're going to make changes in your personal and professional environment after the scholarship. So remember, scholarships are investing in you, so they need to know the impact that you make after you complete your studies. If you want more information, you can click here, or FAQs, you can click here to go and read more information on the scholarship. So Application requirements. We've already gone through the application requirements. This will probably be a repetition. There is something about language for study courses in German. Scholarships includes a preparatory 6 months German language course in Germany. So you may be required to take that test. It says it is not possible to pass the required German course without any previous basic knowledge in the German language, even with the preceding 6 months intensive course. And passing the language test is a formal prerequisite for matriculation at the respective German university. So maybe it's time for you to get on Duolingo and learn German while you prepare for your studies in Germany. Then for courses in English, they may require proof of language skills according to the regulation of the respective course. So it will depend on the course that you are applying for. And then let's go back to application procedure. It will depend on the program. Again, I guess everything depends on the program because programs are different. So go to that list we talked about for programs that are covered. Go click on your program and go through the information as careful as you can so that you can understand what is required for you to apply for that program and for the scholarship. And then in terms of application documents, applications have only to be sent to the respective course directly. So this means that you only apply to the university, you only apply to directly to the course. You do not like apply for the scholarship somewhere. You have to apply directly to the course that you have selected. On the website of that particular course, you will see where you can submit your online application. You cannot send to the scholarship because they will not forward your application to the course or to the university. So please understand that and follow the instructions. You can apply up to 3 courses. If applying to more than one course, please list courses in order of priority in the DAAD application forms. See choice of host university institution in German and do not change the priorities in the according application form. So you have the choice to apply to 3 courses. Maybe there are 3 different courses that interest you and you would like to apply to all of them and see which one you might get admitted to. So, but you need to specify the order of priority, like which one is your first priority, which one is your second, which one is your third in the application form. And you cannot alter that order once you have applied. So you have to be sure before you do that. So these are the required application documents. Firstly, you need a completed and signed checklist. It's a checklist that shows you the required documents you have to tick. If you have all those documents and then you sign the checklist, then there's the application form for the scholarship. You can type your answers or make sure that it's easy to read if you decide to do it manually. You also need your CV and you have to use the Europass template. If you don't know what Europass template is, you click here where it says Europass template, go and create your CV based on that template. Do not submit your own template that you have created somewhere. It should be a Europass template. And then you need one letter of motivation with detailed reference to academic, professional, and personal reasons for applying for the program. It goes back to that requirement that said you should be able to demonstrate your commitment to development, to social responsibility. So this is where you can document all that in your letter of motivation. Only one letter of motivation. So here's an important detail. When applying for more than one postgraduate course, please also give detailed reasons for your choice of courses and prioritization in the letter of motivation. Please submit a uniform letter of motivation to all postgraduate degree programs of your choice. This means that if you decide to apply for 3 courses, You are not going to write three different letters of motivation. No, you are going to write only one letter. And then in that letter, you are going to justify, you are going to give reasons for the choice of courses that you have selected, why you have selected those courses. And after that, you submit the same letter to those courses or to those universities. You do not change the letter. You just submit it as it is to those three different courses. You need a letter of recommendation from your current employer. It must include a letterhead, signature, and official stamp. Sometimes some of you submit letters of recommendations that do not have a letterhead, that do not have an official stamp. That does not work because it means that it shows that your maybe your reference is not official. Then you also need your certificates, your proof of language skills, your English test, your German for courses taught in German. But for English, you are required to show an English language test. Transcript, and then also your degree certificate. This is for those who are applying from China. Some courses may require additional documents, so it will depend again on the course that you are applying for. Check if they are requiring any additional documents from you. So you have to submit your application in English or German and submit complete application, please. So basically, that's that. Here's how you apply. First, you send your complete application directly to the postgraduate course, directly to the university. A selection committee suggests potential candidates for a DAAD scholarship. So you apply to that course, and then a selection committee will make recommendations for potential candidates for the scholarship. The suggested candidate will be contacted by DAAD to upload their complete application to the DAAD portal. So only when you have been selected as a potential candidate for the scholarship will you be contacted to upload your application, and then the selection process will be finalized, and then suggested candidates will be informed accordingly. So that's how it works with the scholarship. I hope it's clear for you. Please do follow the instructions and apply before the deadline. I wish you all the best with your application. If you need assistance, please do sign up for my one on one scholarship mentorship. Thank you.